Hey, take that water bottle if you just threw.
If y'all want to sell water bottles, that's fine. Stay out of the streets though, because you got it's all over when we're walking. You guys are all y'all. Just stay out of the streets. Just stay out of the streets. That's all I'm asking. I'm telling you right now, they're calling us. I don't want to do something about it, right? Do you need me to? Do you want me to write you a ticket for impeding traffic? You're probably right. I probably should. No, you're right. You're right. Oh, now you're gonna run. Okay, yeah, that's probably good for you too. Keep it up. Okay. Okay. Have a good day. Have a good day. Okay. Well, you're the one that said write you a ticket. Now you don't want. Now you're gonna walk away.
No ticket. I can't even get a ticket. I'm a minor.
Yeah, you really wanna have a bet on that? I guarantee. Stay out of the roadway. Stay out of the roadway. All right. You wanna deal with it? Out of the road. You too. You're in the road. Come here. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting.
I'm not in the wall. I ain't in the wall. Stop. Get back! I'm gonna get tased. Get back! Get back! Get back! You're gonna get tased. Stop resisting. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get back. Get back. Get out of the road. Get out of the road. What's your badge number? What's your badge number? Get out of the road. Out of the roadway. Get out of the road. You want to get arrested too? Get out of the roadway. Get moving. Get out of the roadway. Get moving. Go. Out of the roadway. Let's go. Why did you detain me, folks? Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your Put your hands behind your back. 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 Stop resisting. You're going to get tased. Stop resisting.
Do you want me to go ahead and cancel the assistance?
What is you detaining me for? What is you detaining me for?
I copy.
What is you detaining me for? What is you detaining me for? Ain't detaining me for nothing. What is you detaining me for? What is you detaining me for? Get off me.
Relax.
Fuckers, I'm in handcuffs for. None of that. Oh, mamas, get off of me.
Relax.
Why is I detained for?
I gave you a lawful order. I told you to come here. You guys want to play games? This is what happens.
Why is I being detained?
I'm going to hit record on the
Why is I being detained? Why is I being detained? What we do? What we do? What we do? We do shit.
Investigation.
If I investigate, what we do? Hey!
Get out of the road. Get out of the roadway.
I got my bag. I need my bag.
I do it, yeah, like, hold on, like, what's up? What I do? What I do? Let me out. What I do?
He got my bag. I need my bag.
4152, or any units on scene to crowd run. Can you advise if fire is needed?
Oh,
This is your bag?
It's a BB gun. It's
Put your hands behind your back.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting, bro. I'm not resisting.
You gotta.
Bro, get off of me, bro.
I'm gonna tell you one time. Do not resist.
There's a mute in the back. I don't think we do. There's no use of force being used. Other than
fire. Cancel fire. I copy. Canceling fire. Starting fire.
good. Yeah. Hold on to her. We got a full car here. Hold on. Hey, Lane, you want to go over there with Cress? Stupid. Who rolls around with it? How old are you?
It's a BB gun.
Why would you roll around with that? Why?
It was in the bag. We just selling waters, bro. God, that's my bag.
I got you.
Crazy.
What did I drink? How can I stop traffic if it's a red light? Traffic can't stop.
Okay. We got two that refuse to get out of the road, so it's gonna be obstruction. It's a BB gun. It looks real.
That Mackay over there?
Huh? Yeah. Figure out her information.
Y'all taking everybody in, all right? That's what he was trying to get off his man. Right?
Yeah.
That came from the man bag?
Yeah, it's a BB gun.
Okay, that's he's still trying to get that off.
Man, you can step back to the sidewalk until we're done recording.
Get out of traffic! Step off to the side! Spread your legs.
You ain't nuts on my legs. My legs been spread.
Oh, y'all clowning. Yeah, I ain't got none of them. Check me, I ain't got none of them.
We're gonna get there. You know your social?
Well, my
Social security number?
nah.
Okay. What's your first name? How old are you, sir?
A single unit.
Sit tight. You ever been in trouble or anything?
Single B1.
Ever been involved with the police at all? You're not gonna pop up in my system at all? Okay. You got did you ever get issued like a state ID or anything like that? ID card?
Nah.
Okay.
I ain't get that job. I was gonna go get it. I ain't get that
Okay.
job.
No, I'm just asking. Because it's just gonna be easier to pull up the picture in the system.
All right.
This one. No, you can go over there. We're not dealing with you.
Just trying to get the bag.
No.
That's my money there. That's my bag. That's just my brother. Don't give it to my brother. That's my money. That's my check in here. Put bread in there. When I get down, gotta go to the car. Yeah, gotta go in the mall. Gotta go to the salon.
The bigger dude. I was trying to grab that thing out there. The kid in the black shirt, yeah.
And then
Bigger dude, yeah.
big black one.
Yeah.
I don't know his name.
You don't know his name, but it's all.
Bitch, neck,
Slide up. little bit so we can get these cars in the line so we can get the traffic moving through here.
Okay.
Some air. Somebody back there.
Yeah.
Some air.
We'll slide forward so we can get the cars pulled in a line. We're gonna slide forward so we can get these cars in a line.
Going nowhere?
No, you're going to jail.
For real? For what?
Yes, for obstruction.
Obstruction?
Yep.
For how long?
I don't know. It's between you and the judge.
4150 in a
I told you guys multiple times.
You didn't, but-
step out of the
but
road.
look though,
Stop,
look
stop
though.
and listen. God gave you 2 ears and 1 mouth, so you need to
Look
use
though,
it.
all right, can I talk to you though? Look.
Absolutely. Once I'm done explaining this, I told you multiple times, stay out of the roadway. As soon as I got out of the roadway to detain you to get your information, which I'm allowed to do.
All right, so look, you did.
So I'm not done talking.
Though.
I'm not done talking.
Talk.
So once I tried to get your information, you continuously tried to remove your arms from my hands. That is obstruction. You are trying to.
Because why is you touching me for?
Because I told you guys multiple times,
You
stay
did
out
not-
of the
you-
street.
you did
What
not
did
tell
you
me
say?
multiple
I can't get a
times.
hold of you
I
because
was
you're a
right
minor.
there. I
Right,
was
that's
right
what
there
was said.
on
Then I
right
hop
there
out
on
on
the
you.
corner.
Now all of a sudden
I
you're
did
not
not
doing
go in the
anything.
street. I was in the corner the whole
And you
time.
guys
I
got a
didn't go in the
replica
street, none of
Glock
that.
in the bag.
Hey, what's up with female?
Female, she said the Glock was her, or the bag was hers. I didn't realize it was a BB gun at first because it looks legit. So
That bag
we
mine
can
though.
just
The bag
further
is mine. I'm gonna
contact
be real with you. The bag mine.
okay, it's gonna go with you.
All right, that's my money, my phone, my charger, my everything in there.
We got it right here.
All right, I need that. Hey, free me, y'all!
Other side, other window's open. He's got the AC going as well.
Hey, get Rose down the window. Tell my little doctor to go with him.
Your other window's open. The AC's rolling. I'm not rolling this down so you can yell back and forth.
I'm not yelling back.
No, you are, and I'm not playing the
Do
games.
me a favor, though, my doctor is right there.
Okay.
Can you tell him to get on the button? If you tell him to call my mama, can I call my mama?
No.
I can't call nobody.
Nope.
Wow, that's
I told you it was pretty simple. Stay out of the roadway. And instead of doing so, look, man, there's no talking to you because you're just going to keep talking over me, so that's fine. So in doing so, all you had to do was say, my bad, I'll stay off the roadway. You guys could have stayed out here and did your little hustle. But you don't want to do that. You want to be disrespectful. You want to keep getting in the streets. You want to throw water bottles at people.